Good morning, my name is Joseph Circle and I'm going to perform bed to chair and chair to bed. So first, I'm going to show the step by step. So sir, I'm going to next is I'm going to get all the equipment needed, the chair holder, chair, the belt. Next is I'm going to shock the patient. I'm going to move the patient legs. And make sure to touch the ground. Next is I'm going to shock the patient to put your hands in my shoulder. And I'm going to rub my arm in the patient's back for stability. Next, I'm going to instruct the patient to put hands in the shoulder. And I'm going to grab the guide belt and transfer the patient to the wheelchair. And I'm going to use the pivot method. Okay, sir. 1, 2, 3. So next, I'm going to ensure the patient is comfortable, and I'm going to adjust the footrest if needed. So next is I'm going to transfer patient from chair to bed. So first, I'm going to instruct the patient to put the hands in my shoulder. I'm going to wrap my hands in the shoulder in the patient's back for support. Sir, so I'm gonna also use the pivot method. So sir, now the fish wrap. 1, 2. Next, I'm going to ensure that the patient is comfortable. So next is I'm going to document all the procedure and the posture of the patient.